Awesome. Hello, beautiful people. Today, I'm going to do unboxing. It's from Amazon. My husband ordered it for me. It's a microphone and the ring light with tripod. I have my tiny clip here. I have my tiny clip microphone. Okay, let's continue. I have the 10 inches selfie ring light with tripod stand. Here, this is what I got from the mail. Okay, let's open it up some more. There's 3 lights modes in this ring light. There is cold light, natural, and warm light. And they send a thank you card. Okay, here is the tripod. Oh, look at this. See that? It's like this. It can go wider and open this up and it will go up, lock it in, and then another one. See? You have to unlock and then stretch up, lock, and then unlock, and it goes higher. See? So this is the tripod. I can close it. Okay, it comes with the accessories. Dark when I am cooking. That's why my husband ordered me this. This is the remote for the camera. See? Let's put the string. There you go. There. The accessory for the tripod. And see, it will move around. Okay, that's for one accessories, one box. And now we put this on the tripod. Oh, here. Excuse me. It's going to look like this. This is the tripod. And we have to lock. There is a knob here that we can tighten up the top. Okay. There. Guess only my husband is the one who's putting up stuff like this, but he's not home right now. He's playing softball or baseball. And goes here. That we have to see attach, and there is see this metal here to lock to lock the cell phone holder. There, now it's connected. This, we can loosen this up to move this around. See, can move. But if you wanna secure the phone, we have to tighten it. Okay? See? Now we have to attach this on top. And now let's try this. Where'd this go? Oh, okay. My bad. We have to remove this. Redo. We have to redo it. We have to put the ring light. Yeah. There. That's our dishwasher. Pardon me, guys. Pardon me, beautiful people. It's so noisy. It's our dishwasher running. This is how it look like. See? That's my ring light, and have to plug in USB. Plug in, yeah. Okay, so this is my new ring light, beautiful people. It's my ring light. There. And now there are some accessories for just this is the short one, tripod. This is the one that I can bring anywhere, my phone. So now we're done with the ring lights. There you go. And now we're going to open the microphone, the clip-on microphone, so they can hear my voice and they can hear what I am talking about. That's my clip-on microphone. This is so cute, guys. I love unboxing. Trash. And let me see how to do this. There. Huh. That's the manual. And the clip-on microphone is inside this pouch. Oh, so cute. Let me see. Let me see. Ah, there you go, guys. This is it. I don't know how many feet. Let me see how many feet of cord. See? I have to plug into my phone to use this microphone. See, guys, that's so cute. There's a clip. See? It's look like a pro. See? Hold on, I have to fix it. There. See, that is so cute. And I can plug this into my phone. Then now I can talk clear because I have this clip-on microphone. Okay, beautiful people, I'm so happy. My husband ordered me this clip-on microphone. So cute. This is the cord. For sure, they have a longer cord for this. But anyway, I'm just by the countertop because I need to plug this into my phone. And there's this cute pouch. Okay, beautiful people, I'm done unboxing with my clip-on microphone and my ring light. Okay, thank you for sticking with me and watching my unboxing. Thank you, beautiful people. To my subscribers, thank you all. Friends. Have a blessed day, night, morning, afternoon to all of you. Thank you, beautiful people. See you in my next video. There you go, guys. That's my ring light. And this color. There. Turn red. Sorry, the reflection of our light on the TV. Oh, and green. And that's blue. Oh, that's pink or violet. Oh, I like the red, green, blue, and pink. Oh my God, it changes color itself. It's so nice. Thank you, thank you. I love this. Thank you so much for my sponsor. No, it's not a sponsor. My husband is the one who bought this for me. Thank you, thank you. See that? Yeah, it's awesome.